Hi, my name is Ian Harris. I'm Professor of Orthopaedic Surgery at the University of New South Wales in Sydney, Australia. And I'm talking to you about an article we published in JBJS on the increase in early mortality after bilateral same-day total knee replacement, comparing conventional intramedullary instrumentation to technology-assisted instrumentation. Now, we know that there is a small increase in mortality in the early days after major joint replacement surgery. It's possible that that increase is related in some way to fat embolism from intramedullary instrumentation, and if so, this would be a more important problem in bilateral knee replacement, which involves much more instrumentation. So what we did is we took data from the Australian Orthopaedic Association National Joint Replacement Registry, and we looked at about 35,000 bilateral same-day total knee replacements. So we don't know whether they're exactly simultaneous or one after the other, but they're on the same day. We divided them into two groups. Group 1 was conventional instrumentation, which involves intramedullary instrumentation of the femur and often the tibia, and technology-assisted, which is things like image-derived jigs, computer navigation, and robotic assistance. And we compared the 30 and 90-day mortality. Now, these two groups were very similar at baseline. They were both about the same age on average, same BMI, same ASA grade, but we adjusted for these variables anyway. And we also adjusted for the year of surgery, because we know that early mortality has been decreasing over the years. What we found was an odds ratio of 30-day mortality of about 0.26. If you invert that, sometimes it's a bit easier to understand. So you've got roughly 4 times the odds of dying within 30 days using conventional intramedullary instrumentation compared to technology-assisted instrumentation. So that's a very strong difference. Now, this study is limited. We can't prove causation. We don't know whether that difference is due to the difference in fat embolism, but it's certainly very concerning. What we'd like to see is similar studies done from other regions that could either verify our findings or otherwise. And we'd also like to look at unilateral total knee replacement to see if there's a difference in that as well. And that's research we're doing at the moment. Thank you.